Oh my god. Remember this? This was my old shop. It's a bittersweet moment. I'm moving along and I'm really happy. I'm not actually crying about it, but I'm moving all of my old stuff in my new shop. Starting with this old dusty thing. Super dirty. Till next time, shop, BeeNeh. Child, let me raise this up. Hi, welcome to BeeNeh Builds. My name is Nathaniel. Currently, I'm building my floating shelves. I feel really energized and pumped to start making more. Hi, welcome to a new day. I picked up more material because I found out early on that I miscalculated my material, but not a big deal. Picked up a new board. Unfortunately, they didn't have 6/4, which is 1.5 inches. They only had 8/4, which is 2 inches. Annoying, but it is what it is. Can't do anything about it. Long, hard day of work, but we cannot stop until we finish. I think this is what I'm gonna do. Pretty much all I have left for the floating shelves is to drill the pilot holes and then install them. I do need to clean them up. I still need to finish planing them and cut them up to the specific size. New day. Borrowing a drill press, I'm making a jig so I can drill in the center for the bars that I made for the actual brackets. Thought, how can I do this? Asked a buddy of mine. He had some scrap aluminum. I bought a drill bit, pilot drill bit, 5/8, the same size as the rod, and attach it to this little bracket because this has a way to kind of secure to my piece of wood. And I need the drill press in order to make a proper straight hole into this block, and then I can essentially reuse this jig. Will I? I don't know. Hit me up if you need some floating shelves. Yo, what's up? It's obviously a new day. I have some explaining to do because I got into a little bit of a hiccup. Let me explain why. So, the plan was, hey, I'm just gonna make a little jig. It's gonna be really fast and easy. I'm gonna be able to drill a hole, and then nothing went according to plan. First problem that I faced was my previous clamp, whatever, had some weird profile. So I was trying to see how I can make sure when I clamp it, it's going to clamp and gonna drill straight, and to be able to secure my block of aluminum to that. And then went to the drill press. That's where things started getting out of hand. Because I had a previous hole, it would just skip, and basically it was off center. So, you didn't miss anything. because I totally scrapped that idea. And actually, this is something way easier and something that I should have just done from the very get-go. And that's just this. I took my block, I made sure it's square surface from this end to this end. As I align it to the center point that I need, I clamp it and then just bore it through. Super exciting to officially announce the kitchen is complete, and I am excited to show you. I actually did some stuff off camera. I wanted to kind of get, oh yeah, by the way, that got all painted. I actually made a decision to paint it all black. A lot has changed. Added some blinds, did some stuff. Everything was all done in the background. I wanted to kind of just keep things moving along. I was busy. I was trying to do work and just all the projects. Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to my friend Mike. He came out, helped me. We got the tile done. I took a pause from filming, and I do apologize for that. I kind of feel bad, but not really. I really needed to focus on just keep things moving in this house remodel. I was pressured on time with work and life and all that stuff. I had a deadline that I had to meet to be moved in here, and that required me to have my undivided attention to just working at the house. Vanities are built as far as the carcass, but that'll be a video for another time. Without further ado, let's take a look at this kitchen, because it's freaking awesome. A kitchen is complete. Guys, feels so good. Finally seeing the finished product of the 1970s house remodel. First things first, the sink is centered. It used to be right over here. We were able to center it to the window. It feels good. It feels great seeing something just grow from the ground up. The cabinets all installed. Floating shelves, I'm happy. I ended up kind of jumping around and doing the floating vanities while I was doing that. Huge shout out to Mike, my buddy, for helping me with the tile. It turned out amazing, I'm happy. I really love the color between the cabinets, the countertop. I'm really happy, so it feels good. I'm finally back. I'm excited. I took a break, I relaxed. I definitely needed it. So we're gonna be showing the finished products. We're gonna be kind of going back in time and kind of reliving the hard, stressful days. But I'm excited. I'm like really actually excited to show the world where we've come from the start of the 1970s house remodel to now the finished product. And I'm gonna do some things after this. I jumped in and I started building the floating vanities. They look amazing. And then I'm thinking of maybe doing like a final walkthrough of just the inside. The outside is not done, I'll be honest with you. We still got a lot to do outside, but we're living, we're warm, we're safe, everything looks good. Still need to decorate the place, but regardless, it's fine. And I definitely want to do like a budget video, a true budget of what it cost me to buy the house, what it cost me to put into this house financially, and sweat equity. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to show you what's coming up next. Until next time, BeeNeh.